Hello students, today we are going to start 10th class poem, The Bal Poem by John Berryman. This poem is written by John Berryman and the name of the poem is Bal Poem. The full name of the poem is The Bal Poem. This poem is also having the title name poem, and now I am going to tell you about this poem. There is a boy in this poem, and the poem uses a good combination of tone, imagery, and symbolism. In the beginning, the tone is depressing. It depicts a scene where a young boy has lost his ball and becomes very sad when it is bounced into the harbor. The loss of the ball symbolizes the loss of innocence of the childhood. Like childhood, the lost ball cannot be retrieved. The tone in the end changes, giving an encouraging message that life should be lived as it is, and we should move on with the changing time. The poem is in its free verse as it suits its tone and content. In this poem, the boy loses his ball. The ball is about a young boy. The poem is about a young boy who loses his ball. Usually, losing a ball should not be a big issue. Young boys usually lose their balls and the balls quite often. The ball is seen merrily bouncing down the street, and ultimately the ball falls down into the water and lost forever. The boy stood there sadly watching the ball go, but he was helpless, nor could he do anything to get the ball back. And the ball here symbolizes the innocent childhood of the boy, which has slipped away, and the boy wants his ball back. The other ball can also be given to the boy, but it is of no use to remind him that, because that ball was connected to his childhood memory. So he just wants the same ball to continue his game, though he can have more balls, but he wants the same ball. Boy that has lost his ball, and he was feeling a great loss of the ball. There may be other balls, perhaps, as I just have already told you, but he wants the same way ball to continue his game. He hopes to get any one of them. However, the ball that he has lost cannot be retrieved. He has fallen into the ball has fallen into the deep water of the harbor. The boy is inconsolable. He loses hope in himself and becomes depressed and hopeless that whether he will get the ball again back or not. He stands still, trembling and looking at the point where his ball has gone down into the harbor. Here, the loss of the ball stands for the loss of childhood, and the harbor stands for the vastness of the life. It will not serve any purpose to remind him that the ball costs just a dim and is worth nothing. Recovering of the loss that will change his life, his mood and thinking. He realizes that in this world, the loss is a part of the game. He must take such losses in life. In his struggle, achievements will follow losses in the life, and a thing that is lost once cannot be retrieved or get back in the life. Money cannot buy the lost childhood, the lost dreams, and the lost feelings back. Money is external to such losses. Now, the poet also gives a message, or he wants to convey the message through the poem of hope and encouragement. Ultimately, the child comes out of his depression and hopelessness because he learned that time how he should stand up to bear the loss. The theme of this poem is that students, life is precious and should not be wasted, and so we should try to live the life properly, and we should not be depressed of the loss that has been done in the life. अब मैं ये पोएम आपको हिंदी में बता देती हूँ. एक छोटा सा बच्चा है जो ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ आया है गली में और बॉल से खेलता हुआ आया. अचानक ही उसके हाथ से वो बॉल स्लिप होकर हार्बर में चली जाती है, और बच्चा उस बॉल की तरफ घूरते हुए देखता रहता है कि कैसे भी उसे वो बॉल मिल जाए, और बच्चा बहुत ज़्यादा दुखी हो जाता है, डिप्रेस हो जाता है, होपलेस हो जाता है, और वो अपनी उस बॉल को वापस चाहता है। हालांकि उसे और भी बॉल्स दी जा सकती हैं, बट दैट बॉल वॉज हैविंग टू मच इम्पोर्टेंस फॉर हिम, क्योंकि वो बॉल उसके लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। एंड बिकॉज दैट बॉल वॉज कनेक्टेड टू हिज चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज, क्योंकि वो बॉल किससे कनेक्टेड है, उसकी चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज से। और वो बच्चा ये चाहता है कि अब उसको और भी बॉल्स दी जा सकती हैं, और मनी से भी रिप्लेस किया जा सकता है, लेकिन उसकी जो चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज हैं उनसे उसे वो गेन नहीं कर सकता, उस बॉल से वो कनेक्ट नहीं रह सकता है। इसलिए पोएट ने एक मैसेज कन्वे किया है कि हमारा जो लाइफ है दैट इज़ टू प्रीसियस, एंड वी शुड लिव लाइफ विदाउट हैविंग एनी डिप्रेशन एंड होपलेसनेस. So students, watch this video till the end and learn the message of the poem. This message is too precious to move forward in the life, to forget the depression and losses of the life. We should move forward to gain the life more and more. Okay, thank you.